Hey everyone, meet Yonatan, and we are Erez and Tair. Together, we created Jona, the wheelchair seatbelt for riding toddlers. But first, let's return to the beginning. In addition to being a school principal, Yonatan has 2 children who love to ride on their father's lap. When they were young, Yonatan loved to carry them, but he felt that it was unsafe, especially when riding outside and facing unexpected obstacles. As a result, we thought about how we could improve the riding experience. We started to make prototypes. Many of them. There were some great tries, and some not so great ones. But we learned from every attempt, and kept improving our models. Finally, we found the right product, and called it Jona. But how we use it? First, snap the connecting straps to the chair. And when it's time to use, connect one strap to the belt. After connecting the lower buckle, you can safely place the toddler, attach the final strap, and enjoy a carefree ride. When you finish using Jona, just disconnect the belt buckles, click the straps, fold it into the storage pouch, and store it wherever you want. With our product, Yonatan will be able to ride independently with his next child on his lap, and even hold his kids' hands while rolling in the streets. Now that we created Jona, we hope that Yonatan will be only one of many rolling parents and children all over the world that now could roll together, safely.